Hello, welcome back to the channel. In the previous episode I was doing this mount. Today I'm going to attempt to do this one. I've cut the plate out, put the magnets behind it, so I'm going to tack this side to start with and then go around and push it round and spot weld it in. This one's all cleaned up, as I'll show you. All cleaned up now, all sitting nice. And the other side, it's all cleaned up. There's a little bit there which still needs grinding off, but it's all sitting nice. But we've got the magnets on there at the minute, just so I can tack it into place. Once I get it tacked, I will get the seat in. Just lay the seat base in just to make sure it's all in the right place. What's up here today? A bit more heat on. That's the plate I've cut out. As you can see, it's a bit rotten. So it's got to be done. Got seat plates in. You can see that's flush there. Pin that round there. Some sitting flush there as well. So I'm sort of happy with that. I think that'll be fine. Right, that's that one all. Spot welded in. There's a couple of little holes to take out. We're going to have a look around the other side. Ooh. There you go, it's got nice penetration all the way through. It's looking nice. Well, happy with that. So, cup of tea's getting cold. Right. Right, if you watched the video to the end, thanks a lot. Much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing, just hit a subscribe button or add a comment. In the next one I'll probably be making up the mounting plate. I'll do a video on that, and I'll do the do it from scratch, from cutting a bit of tin and bending it in the video to show you how it's done. But I'm happy with that. Just wants to clean up and a prime up. So that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated if you subscribed, been following, and thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.